Carboxylic acids have higher boiling points than aldehydes, ketones, and even alcohols of comparable molecular mass. It is due to the following. So let's draw carboxylic acid first. Carboxylic acid is this, and this R is replaceable during the chain reactions. Then we have aldehydes. Aldehydes and carboxylic acids are almost same, but they have this and this both changeable. Then we have alcohols, and then we have the ketones. Then we have the ketones with us, that is nothing but this group. So we need to tell which of the followings. It is asking us that carboxylic acids have high boiling points. Why? So carboxylic acids have high boiling point due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, in carboxylic acid association occurs. Hence the boiling point increases and becomes more than the boiling points of aldehydes, ketones, and alcohols in comparison to molecular mass. So due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, there is association occurs in carboxylic acids, and their boiling point is higher than these boiling points. So formation of intermolecular bonding is the right solution.